Hey guys, Naresh here for the evening session now. So if you saw the morning session, I was putting together the basic sort of drum loops within the sample packs within the ghost arrangements or the reference arrangement that I made yesterday using the Eats Everything Charlotte DeWitt's remix. And then I spent the morning just fleshing it out a little bit. And then what I did furthermore, offline, I guess, was fill out the other parts, the synths and the ARPs and sort of a drone I've just added as well. Now, I guess what I want to show you guys, if I let's click on start recording. What you can see here is the red parts I did this morning, and they're all the sort of drums. I added the MIDI parts in here. I'm conscious that there's a pink part here, which is kind of like it's the same sort of MIDI, but it's a one instrument, and then the second instrument's used here. So I'm going to try and attempt to do that. And then the other thing I noticed was that every sort of 16 bars there's a change coming in. So what I've done is I've grouped my MIDIs into blocks of 16s so that I can then apply different sort of automation to them and different effects and kind of make a variation as we go along. So this is what it sounds like at the moment. Let's press play and hear it. The kick in the bass and a sort of pad drone sound I've got there. Now I haven't equalized anything here, so things are poking out here and there, but it's fine. The idea here is to flesh this reference track out and get into it. About a little bit now. So just playing around with this kind of stuff and experimenting, see how things sound. Probably dedicate a bit more time to this tomorrow. It's about 10:10 Friday night. You know how I get tired. So I guess it's just now to fiddling around with it really, and seeing what comes out. Quite impressed in that, yeah, it's quite quick to kind of build up a track from a reference track. I didn't think it'd be so easy. Might make a few other reference tracks. I guess it's it's a simple one really. It's just the same sort of MIDI pattern created over, but as you can see, it's not as simple then to kind of recreate what Eats Everything or Charlotte had done there. So but yeah, I mean, it gives an idea. So I'm going to try and continue with that, or maybe, you never know, throw it away, start again on something new on the Toraiz and then the Squid. But we'll see. Got the weekend again, so let's see what I think I need to think about. Kind of haven't really done all the journals, the 1 minute sort of journals, as I should have done. But yeah, it's coming to the end of the second week already, so but we're doing something every day, so getting there, I guess. Alright guys, I'll leave you there. See you on the next one. See you later. Bye bye.